Hey kids! I hope you're having a great day today. This is me again, Teacher Cathy, and welcome back to my online learning channel. Started, I want you to stand up from your seats and let's do an action song. So for our warm-up song for today, we are going to sing the hello song. Okay, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello? In today's video, we're going to be learning about the sixth and the last sound that we can find in the Jolly Phonics Group 2, which is this sound, D. D. Can you say it? D. D. Great. We're going to be looking at its sound, action, song, story, letter formation, the D vocabulary. We will also be doing some blending and we will practice our listening skills. So before we move on to our lesson, I want you to make sure that your looking eyes are open so you can see everything. And I want you to make sure that your listening ears are on so you can hear the sounds clearly. Are you ready? Let's get started. As I have mentioned earlier, that our lesson today is about this sound. The name for this letter is D, and the sound it makes is D. Can you say it? D. Great job! In Jolly Phonics series, we have done all the sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 1, which are these sounds. S, A, T, E. And also, we have learned the 5 sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 2, which are these sounds. K, Dan is tidying his toy cupboard. He pulls out his teddy, his doggy, and the duck. Then he finds a box of dominoes. He plays them for a while. Then he sees his yellow digger and takes it out for a drive. Suddenly, from downstairs, Dad asks, "Dan, have you finished yet?" "Not yet," says Dan, and he goes back to the cupboard. He finds a bag of marbles and some dice. He plays with them for a while, and then here's his dad again. Dan, have you finished yet? No, not yet, Dad, says Dan. And he goes back to the cupboard. At the very back of the cupboard, he sees his old red and blue drum. He picks it up and marches up and down, banging the drum. D, 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 d. Dad comes in to see what's all the noise is. Do you know you have spent all day tidying your cupboard? Dad says. Dan smiles. I have found lots of things I have forgotten all about, he replies. Look at this, Dad. I can play this drum. D, 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 d. To help us remember the sound of each letters, let's add some action to it. So for this sound, let's beat our hands up and down as if we're playing a drum and say d, 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 d.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Now let's learn how to write the letter D or the sound D. First, we'll start with the uppercase or big D. To write uppercase D, we'll start at the top and draw a straight line all the way to the bottom. Then we'll go back to the top and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Great job! Let's do it again. We'll start at the top and draw a straight line all the way to the bottom. Then we'll go back to the top and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Great job! Now you try. Perfect! Now you know how to write the uppercase D. Now let's move on to the lowercase or little d. To write lowercase d, we'll start in the middle and do a curved line down to the bottom. Then we'll go up to the top and make a straight line down to the bottom. Great job! Let's do it again. We'll start in the middle and do a curved line down to the bottom. Then we'll go up to the top and make a straight line down to the bottom. Good job! Now you try. Perfect! Now you know how to write the letter D. Now for our D vocabulary, let's take a look at the pictures here. Let's name them one by one. D, D, duck, duck, D, D, drum, drum, D, D, dog, dog, D, D, donut, donut, D, D, doctor, doctor, D, D, dentist, dentist, D, D, door, door, D, D, dance, dance, D, D, drink, drink, D, D, dog, dog, D, D, durian, durian, D, D, dad, dad. D, d, dolphin, dolphin. D, d, donkey, donkey. D, d, dice, dice. D, d, dominoes, dominoes. D, d, deer, deer. D, d, dog, dog. All of those words started with a D sound. Practice makes perfect. Now let's go through all of those words again. I'm going to show you the picture and then tell me what it is. Okay? What is this? Did you say duck? Then you are correct. Duck, duck. Great job. Next, we have this. What is this? Yes. Did you say dog? Then you are right. Give yourself a tap on your back. Next, we have this one. Yes. Did you say doll? Do you have a doll? Yeah. Doll. Doll. Next we have this. What is this? Yes. Did you say dog? Then you are right. Dog. Dog. Next. What is this? Did you say drum? Then you are correct. It's a drum. Drum. Next. What is this? What are they doing? Yes. Dance. They are dancing. Dance. Next we have. Yes? Yeah, I heard you right. It's a donut. Do you like to eat donut? Yeah, me too. I like to eat donut. 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 What is this? Doctor. Yeah, doctor. Right. Next we have. Yes. Did you say dentist? Then you are right. It's a dentist. Dentist. Next we have. Did you say dad? Yes, dad. Dad. Great job, kids. Now let's do some blending. Once again, kids, blending is running the sounds together to make a word. So for this lesson, we are going to blend the D sound with the other sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 1, and also we will be blending the D sound with the other sounds that we have learned in Jolly Phonics Group 2. Okay, are you ready? Then let's get started. Now let's do something, blending and reading. Are you ready? Here we go. D, e, n, d, e, n, dan, 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 dan. D, e, d, e, deep, 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 deep. D, add, d, add, dad, 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 dad. d, s, d, s, dress, 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 dress. Ed, red, 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 red. Sad, 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 sad. And, and, hand, 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 hand. And, and, sand, 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 sand. So we're almost there, kids. Before we end our lesson, let's practice our listening skills. So let's play a game to see if you can hear the D sound in any of the words that I'm going to ask you. So are you ready? Let's go! Can you hear the D sound in the word doll? Doll. Did you say yes? Then you are right. So where do you hear the D sound in the word doll? Did you say at the beginning of the word? Then you are correct. D is at the beginning of the word doll. D, D, doll. Great! Now let's have another one. Can you hear the D sound in the word ladder? Yes, ladder. Did you say yes? Then you are right. D is in the word ladder. So where do you hear the D sound in the word ladder? Did you say in the middle of the word? Then you are right. D is in the middle of the word ladder. D, ladder. So let's have another one. Can you hear the D sound in the word sand? Sand. Did you say yes? Then you are correct. D is in the word sand. So where do you hear the D sound in the word sand? Did you say at the last sound of the word? Then you are correct. Give yourself a tap on your back. D is the last sound of the word sand. D, D, sand. So that concludes our D sound for today. I think you are ready for our ABC song. Okay, let's sing it together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed learning with Teacher Cathy. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new in this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post new videos in this Teacher Cathy Cathy channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you everyone. Keep safe. Bye.